I just did a little tour of the kitchen and I found a bunch of spare items. Belme knows shrimp and there's some shrimp involved, so I'm gonna have her run the cast iron skillet and we're gonna go on the clock, see if we can knock out a quick salad slash meal in 10 minutes. We'll add some oil to the pan here and go ahead season side down in the pan. Kat, let's see how you do that. Nice. And I'm gonna hack up this red cabbage here. I'm thinking that a whole sweet potato is gonna be a lot, so I'm just gonna cut this in half. There we go. Just kind of, we'll wait on that one. And then on the jalapeno, I'm gonna cut it across. There we go. So it kind of has a fun look to it. Just a little caramelization going on. And then what I'd say is kind of let's make a little room right over here. Add a little bit more oil, and we'll throw these sweet potato chunks. So next thing, we're about 3.5 minutes in. Let's throw together, I've got some greens here also. If you want to take that olive oil and do a little drizzle of olive oil in the pan or in the bowl. A little bit more. Good. And then some of this aged balsamic, put your thumb over the hole for a third. Whoa! Just kidding. A little bit more than that. How's that? Good. I'm not going to show you how to do this. Check this out. If you kind of use the bowl, let's give it a try and see. Right, not bad. I'm gonna give it a little salt and pepper. Don't forget to salt your salads, guys. Good. And the goal here is to kind of keep, we don't want those sweet potato chunks to break up into a bunch of mush. See if we can kind of keep them together. And I'm gonna throw in these jalapenos right now. Let me use this guy here. Good color? Yeah. We just had some carnitas. And this is pretty much like dried out, almost machaca style pork. You could also do this with like bacon bits or a thing called tasso or pancetta, right? Little cubes of pancetta rendered down. We're gonna use these like pork croutons. And I think this is probably coming together right now. So let's go ahead and take our salad and lay it down the center here. So let's use this thing here, turn this off, and then kind of scoop it out. There you go. When it comes to pork product, I'm kind of on the lot. Yeah. Kind of wipe it up a little bit. And I think that this needs one more quick little drizzle of balsamic. There we go. Damn, should we check the time? Oh. With 8.1 seconds to spare. So there it is. We'll call this the spicy shrimp salad with pork croutons. I'm Paleo Nick, and this is Catherine, saved by the Belme. Doing everything we can to help you. Peace with Paleo.